Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2000 Toyota T100. This is the V6 5VZ-FE engine, 3.4 liter. Customer complains that check engine light is on. I test drove it. Truck feels good, normal, nothing odd. Check engine light is on. I scanned the codes. The codes came up for EVAP. P0441, P0446, and some other canister codes, EVAP codes. The first thing I did was I troubleshot the P0441, which is it's calling for the incorrect purge flow. If you step over here behind the battery, driver's side, here's the EVAP canister. This purge valve right here, I've already changed it. This one's old. I changed it, and I thought I was gonna fix it. It didn't fix it. The customer came back, so I have to bench test the canister now. The way I bench test the canister is with my smoke machine. You can put your smoke machine through any one of these hoses that goes through to the fuel tank, and also I use the smoke machine and I smoke the canister itself. But this is the canister. I didn't detect any leaks. The gas cap is still good. I checked the gas cap when I smoked the machine, when I smoked the truck. But this is the canister. We're probably most likely going to change this out because I've already changed this purge valve, and this purge valve was like $80 or something like that, $90. It didn't fix it, so I returned it. Didn't want to waste the customer money. And also I noticed on the new canister it comes with the new purge valve, so that saved me $80 right there. We're gonna go ahead and change this out, but I'm gonna show you guys my smoke machine and how I performed a smoke test. Okay, so I got my smoke machine, my EVAP smoke machine hooked up to the car. It's simple. Positive, negative to the car battery. And then you got this hose right here. If you flip the machine on, I'll flip it on right here. It's turning on. This machine, it puts out a lot of smoke. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's putting out smoke right now. Yeah. So as it's putting out smoke, how I did the test was I just unplugged some of these hoses. You don't have to do this one because this one just goes to the intake over there. But like this one goes to the manifold, and then like this one's the fuel line. So I unplugged some of these and I just shoved these in there, and then give it a few seconds to see if there's smoke that comes out. But so far there's no smoke coming out of the rear end of the truck or anywhere right here. I'm gonna turn this off. They say it's odorless, but it kind of stinks, kind of smells, puts out a lot of smoke. But this is the machine. This is my machine. I got it off of Amazon. Just a word of advice, this machine does not come with liquid smoke, so you will need to buy liquid smoke. It doesn't have to be this brand, but you will need liquid smoke. And it's just, man, puts out a lot of smoke. Let me turn this off. But yeah, this is my smoke machine. I use it for smog purposes, EVAPs. I'm gonna put my smoke machine away. I already performed some of the tests, plugged some of these back up, but I couldn't find a leak. The gas cap is still good. We're gonna just go ahead and change this out. Considering this vehicle is almost 27 years old, I think the canister internally is either clogged or damaged, because my customer here, they're agriculture workers, so I'm pretty sure it's very, very, very contaminated. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out this canister. And also, With the engine on, I have already checked the power on these. There is power coming through, so I know for sure it's not an electrical issue. There's these 3 harness right here. You got this one, and this one. I have already tested them. Let me set this down, and we'll continue with the canister. I got the new canister here. Like I stated earlier, I bought a new purge valve. It did not work. I returned it because I had to buy a new canister. And since the new canister came with the new purge valve, I just went ahead and returned it. I verified it, compared it. This canister is exactly the same. The only difference that I noticed is this second hose right here that goes to this valve right here, or this sensor. It doesn't have it on this side. See, this one has 1 hose, and then this one has 2 hoses, which is fine. I like I said, I double checked all the lines line up. You guys can see it from here. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to drop it. That's why I put it over here. But everything is the same. The same. I got this off of eBay. This is the part number. As you guys can see, genuine Toyota Lexus part right there. 77740-34072. This was honestly $240 with shipping. So it came from overseas, straight from Japan. Right there, made in Japan. I had to wait about a week, but it's here. This is the new canister. Like I said, this is the part number. I'm gonna set the phone down. I'm gonna change everything over. It looks fairly easy. Just a bunch of hoses, clamps, sensors, 3 sensors, and it looks like it just drops right in. It hooks up right here in the back here. So like I said, I'm gonna set the phone down. I'm gonna change it out, and then we'll go from there. So this is the old canister. The new canister is right here. I'm just gonna walk you guys through the old canister. You got a harness wire here. The squeeze, pull, it should come off. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. Squeeze and pull. This one comes off. Same thing. This one, squeeze, pull. And then this one, I don't think we're gonna have to mess with this one, but we might have to move this 10mm just to get out of the way, clearance. And then you got these wires back here. Unplug this one, unplug it. It's like this one right here. Unplug it, set it to the side. You know, you got a bunch of these. And if you get scared, like you don't know where it goes, get a paint marker and just mark one. Don't mark both of them, just mark one. Or if you have multiple colors, you know, mark 1 red, 1 green, 1 yellow. I'm gonna grab my paint marker. I'm gonna mark some of these. But other than keep on going, just like pull this. Be careful not to damage any wires. This one, it should just pop out. Maybe 10-15 minutes, and the box should come out. I'm gonna set the phone down and finish up this repair. I got the old one out. The new one's going back in. You guys can see I verified everything. This hose right there, that hose right there. They line up. This right here, that right there. This hose right here. The only difference is, like I said, this hose right here has 2 of them. This one goes from here to there. And this one has that plug right there, hose right there. Same thing. Verify here. Verify there. Pretty much the same. Once you start taking everything off, there's going to be a little clip here on the side. Right here. That's holding the canister in. Just grab yourself a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pry it and pull it. once you pull the unit, it just pulls out. And I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put it in right now. So it just goes in this gap right here. Which, let me move this hose right here. So, just like this. It goes in this slot right here. Right there. This slot right there. Right there. It's in. It's in. And then just plug everything back up. So like this hose right here. It goes right there. Plug this one up right here. You know, plug all your wires, your harness. This is a 10-minute fix. 20 minutes for the unexperienced. Then we're gonna clear the code, test drive it, and release it. Give it back to the driver. Once again, thank you, YouTubers, for joining me in another awesome video. Got another vehicle back on the road. Thanks, guys. Once again, if you guys like this content, these kind of repairs that save you guys money, help you guys out, even if it doesn't help you out, or it can help somebody that you know, a family member, a friend, you're welcome. And thank you, guys. Rule number 1, safety first. Safety is key. Have a great day, guys.